Hello, good morning guys. Coffee time. Dito ako naman sa bahay ng tuwing Webis to. Twice a month din. Itong aso nilang makulit si Sonny. What do you want, Sonny? Huh? You want to eat? You eat suman? You cannot eat suman. You know that. Thus, I gave you already the food. So, guys, binigyan ko na siya ng dog food. Ngayon, kung anong kinakain ko, hingi siya. So, may tinapay. Oh, there's your bread. You want to eat? Okay, come here. Okay, kain na siya ng bread. Oh, enough. Hello guys, coffee time. Magkape tayo. Dito, naglaba ako at saka pahinga muna kasi hindi ako kumain doon sa bahay. Sabi ko, late na ako. Nag-taxi na lang ako papunta dito. So, ayan. Sumalubong naman tong Sonny. Ito nga cute na Sonny. Diba, Sonny? Oh, cute. Cute naman ang dog naman namin. Cute. Ayaw mo tingnan mo. Oh, you want to play? Give me that. Give me. I cannot reach. Okay. Bigyan na ako. Okay, ready? Okay na naman to. Gusto magkape muna ako. Oy, Dudong. Nako, magkape muna ako. Mamaya natin mamaya natin mag-play, okay? Not now. I'm eating. I'm eating breakfast. You wait. Gusto mo maglaro? No. I eating first before I play with you, okay? Huh? Okay. Good boy. Stay there. Ay, naku, guys. O, coffee tayo, guys. Ito, ang dala ko ng suman ko. Di pa naubos. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.